Welcome. In today's tutorial, I'll walk you through the simple steps to turn on comment notifications for Google Drive right from your phone. If you've ever found yourself missing important updates or feedback on your shared documents, this quick guide will help you stay on top of things with ease. Let's get started. The first thing you'll need to do is open the Settings app on your phone. This is where all of your app preferences and permissions are managed, including notifications. Next, scroll through the list of options and tap on Apps. This section shows you every app installed on your device, and it's where we'll find Google Drive. Once you're inside the apps list, look for Google Drive and tap on it. This will open up the app's specific settings, where you can control things like storage use, permissions, and of course notifications. Now tap on the Notifications option. This is where you decide what kind of alerts you'll receive from Google Drive, so you never have to worry about missing an update. Inside Notifications, select Notification Categories. Categories help break down different types of alerts into separate sections, giving you more control over what you want to see. Here, locate the option called Comments. This is the most important one if you collaborate often in Google Drive. Comments let you know right away when someone leaves feedback, asks a question, or assigns you a task in a shared file. Finally, tap on Comments, and make sure to toggle on Allow Notifications. When this is switched on, Google Drive will send you instant notifications whenever someone interacts with your files through comments. And that's it. You've successfully enabled comment notifications on Google Drive. From now on, you'll always be updated the moment someone adds input or reviews your work, helping you stay connected and responsive. If you often use Google Drive for school projects, work files, or team collaborations, having comment notifications turned on is a game changer. You no longer need to keep checking manually. Your phone will notify you right away. Now that you know how to enable it, you'll never miss a comment again.